main shapes the sides of the vessel. I'll make sure that the bottom stays nice and flat and level. And in a moment here, what we're going to do is transfer the piece off of the blowing iron onto this solid steel iron here. This one's called a punty, or a finishing iron. I'm going to collect a very small amount of material out of the melting furnace. Now this small amount of glass here will end up acting as glue. We can stick this right onto the bottom of the piece, break the piece free from the blowing iron, and use this to finish up the top part of our vessel. I shaped this small amount of glass here to be a little bit of a point. I'm using a steel table. It's called a marver. And it'll absorb a lot of heat out of the material. I want to present this to Dane at around 1300 degrees, 1300 degrees. That's where the glass will stick and fuse onto the bottom of it, but it won't weld on there permanently. We'll be able to pop this piece free at the very end of the process. He'll use his tweezers because that end of the iron is definitely still very hot. We turn both irons, making sure everything is running right on center, and a little bit of water on a wet file. He'll score that constriction line to weaken it. A little bit of water on there creates stress cracks, and a light tap is all it takes to break the piece free.